Hey everyone, what's going on? This is the iPad Pro. I've had it for about, I don't know, 2 months. And in general, I'm not that thrilled with it. I was hoping for something that would be of a professional level, that would help me replace my laptop. And this just really isn't it. It's still just basically a big iPad Pro or an iPad. The extra real estate on it is super great. It is the fastest iPad that's out there, so um, gaming is probably the highest demand that I've put on it, and it's done gaming without a hitch. Um, and the problem is you need to purchase an additional key. It's already expensive. It's like $800. It's the 128 gigabyte model. Um, but essentially, uh, entertainment, games, movies, ebooks, educational apps like Khan Academy or lynda.com. They all worked really great on this. But So if you're just using it as a big iPad, go for it. Most of the apps look okay. Some of them aren't optimized for the iPad as of yet. Um, so, uh, but they're going to get there. So I'm not too concerned about that. It's just that this really isn't a full operating system, so that you actually can't put on all the apps that you can put onto a, say, like a laptop. So at the end of the day, for me, I'm gonna wait until the next version, and hopefully it will be a little more uh, productivity friendly. Um, and Hopefully, well, the price, if it did everything that a laptop could do, the price wouldn't be terrible. Right now I'm recommending that people look at the Surface Pro. That the Surface Pro, probably three or four. Four is the latest one. um, but that is a full operating system. You can actually do everything that you would like in that, with that laptop replacement. It's a tablet form, and you can actually connect that up to two. I think it's either 30, 24, or 30-inch monitors. So you can really make those go the distance, and then they're portable and light and travel worthy and all that. Um, so yeah, at the end of the day, this doesn't cut it for me. If I'm paying that much money for an iPad, it better be a productivity, um, productivity king, and this one just doesn't really do it. I mean, for example, I can open up Word, but then I can only view another window. I can't view any more. I can't have any more applications open. Also, I can only work with apps that are really on the App Store. I can't work with software that is actually a full-fledged software. So that, and I was kind of turned off by the having to buy the Apple Pencil and keyboard separately. I guess it's okay, but it really bumps up the price, at least $300 if you want both of them. So, anyways, I'm not logging in right now because I've reset this machine, and it's ready to go back. So, uh, anyways, I hope that's helpful for you. Definitely not a laptop replacement. Wait for the next Apple iPad. Perhaps they'll address these issues. I know other people are also disappointed by a pro version of a device that doesn't do professional type stuff. So, but as an everyday person, if you've got the cash, you're gonna love the experience. It is the best iPad out there. It's got the biggest screen real estate that is available on the iPad lines, and it is, a really great machine for couch surfing, and it's kind of big, but I know my kid loved it. I liked working with her on educational apps and such. It's got a lot of real estate, so we can share the screen. But other than that, it didn't. My main need was to basically be a productivity machine, a laptop replacement, and again, just didn't cut it. All right, thanks. Hope that's helpful.